What's that?
Look at the inside. Jasmine is ready. Adik, not too low, not too low. Silk is too low. You're gonna catch by the fire.
Jom balik. It's okay. Shoe fall down.
Touch it like this. Slowly. Okay. Touch it. Don't pull, don't pull. Just touch it slowly. Gently. And show to mommy the lemon. See. Come. You want mommy? Ali, come. You want some lemon?
Mommy, this flower. But this is the flower. And then when the honey become, you drink this one, and then become fruit.
Oh.
Whoa. See, got a lot of them over
What's that?
here. Lime?
This is lime.
Lime tree. Mama, what's it? See, Mom? Daddy.
Adik, this one lah. This one is your height. Look at the inside.
Touch. Wait.
You go to your t-shirt just now. Adik, put here.
Insect. It can fly.
Put here.
Mommy, lemon.
Like this one, see? Not really that squishy.
Daddy, I found.
Then that is one of the... Go. Be careful, okay? So many honey.
Oh, this flower got nectar.
Yeah. This is what we call pollination. From the flower become the fruits. Let's have another. Sas, come.
So which one I want also?
Another one behind.
Okay, I'm finding more. So I can play. Dad, I found it.
You got another one?
I did. Okay.
This is the best. But if it's already fallen, it's still. Help Daddy to find some more. Come.
Which one?
They are wild cherry. Look up now. Any more cherry on it?
Coconut.
No. One of them. Put it inside the bowl. The big bucket.
There's only more. Give money.
2 more. You see, when you collect everything, it looks very beautiful. See? Very nice.
Hey, Mommy, don't move. Because too heavy. Sour?
Nice. Ready? Why you change the drumstick behind it? Put inside. Good job. Alia. Nice. So strong, anak.
Be careful. Fire is coming. Fire! The fire! Let's go in. Another? Nice. See, I still burning. And down there, they were burning. Hey, Ade.
you guys excited?
Silent. Silent. Hey, watch out, Daddy.
Masih ada macam Daddy, oh. Daddy, yours is ready. Okay, yours is ready. Cheers, cheers. See, when your marshmallow is bubbling, that means it's ready. Adik, not too low, not too low. See, because if it's too low, you're gonna catch by the fire.
Not too fast, little finger. Little bit of like Ali did now.
Is it good? Ah.
Dirty already, Adik.
Daddy, no, don't eat. No. They all know it's going to be really silent. What's
You can throw any dry leaf if you want. Throw inside. Go wonder. Can't go. Can't go. Collect Daddy. Makan butter, ha.